and then trying to figure out is very interesting with lots of different theories at first, but kids genuinely come up with some great reasons why this work. And this is how it goes. So you take the 9 cards, or you tell your person you're doing this for to hold the 9 cards in their hand, and tell them that cards have 3 names. They have a first name, a middle name, and a last name. The first name is always the value of the card, like ace or 2 or 10 or king or queen or something like that. The second or middle name is always the same for every card is of, OF. And the last name of the card is the suit, like clubs, spades, hearts, and diamonds. So I'm going to choose, well, I'm going to put these cards, and you'll ask your spectator to do this. Just put them into 3 piles. They can deal them one at a time into piles. It doesn't matter, or just as long as they're 3 piles of 3. And then instruct them to pick up any stack they want, put it in their hand like they're going to deal, and then pick up any of the other 2 packs and put that on top of the one already in their hand. And then the last stack, what they're going to do is look at that bottom card. So I'm remembering the 8 of clubs. They have to remember that card and then put that right on top of the cards in their hand. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use the 3 names of a card, the first, middle, and last name of the card, and we're going to spell each name, dealing 1 card to the table face down as we do it. So my card was the 8 of clubs, so I'm going to spell 8, dealing 1 card for each letter onto the table face down. E-I-G-H-T. And we put the cards on top. We pick these back up. The middle name of every card is of. So I'm going to spell of, dealing 1 card face down on the table for each letter. O-F. Put the cards on top. Pick everything up. Clubs is the suit, the last name of the card that I chose. And it's C-L-U-B-S. And at this point, there aren't many people that could have followed where that 8 of clubs is. It's somewhere in my hand. No idea where. And that's problematic. Now, I could flip them over and find it, but let's let math solve the problem for us. Math can find our card. So let's spell math. 1 card for each letter. M-A-T-H. And the next card, my card was the 8 of clubs. Math solved the problem.